Greece was full of Arvanites, Albanians who had come to Greece not as conquerors but as seekers of land to cultivate. And this began in the 14th century when Byzantium was still alive. These people came to Greece from Albania to make a better living, and slowly they were integrated into the system. And today no one really knows, because the Peloponnese, for instance, was full of Albanian immigrants. And the same is true for Athens and its environs. Attica was full of Albanians. When King Otto came to Greece and heard the strange language spoken in Plaka somewhere, and he said, this is ancient Greek. And then somebody said, no, it's ancient Albanian. So there you are. And the Albanians were slowly brought into the Greek community, and so many leaders of the War of Independence, Miaoulis, the islands of Ydra and Spetses, mostly Albanian communities, and then, as I said, Attica, and some of Suliotes. Suliotes were Christian Albanians, Marcos Botsaris and Kytsos Tzavelas and all these people who became part of the Greek scene and heroes of the Greek War of Independence.